Hello, everybody. Good evening. Just one second. Okay, so hello, everybody. Good evening and welcome to this YouTube session. I'm your educator, Dr. Archi Maheshwari, and today we are going to discuss. Today we are going. Hi, Pradeep. Hello, everybody. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Gayatri. Hello, Veena. Hi, Shekhar. Hello. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Pradeep. Good evening. Okay, students, so you've all joined in and all right, just one second. So I hope I'm visible and audible to everybody. Just let me know. Good evening. Good evening. Hi, Ritika. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Shehzadi. Oh my God, now that's some name. All right. Okay, students. So now everything is fine, visible, audible, everything. Hello, Santosh. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, all my dear students who have joined me here in this YouTube session where we are going to have some amazing time. All right, students. So, what are we going to discuss today? Today, we are going to discuss animal tissues. So, there's going to be teaching about the tissues of your own body. Yes, we are going to study about the human body, various kinds of tissues, how they are formed, what is their function, and so on and so forth. Okay, hi, one tap chemistry. Hi, Pradeep. Hello, Vishal. Good evening, everybody. Acha, Mukul. Okay. You are not Pradeep, you are Mukul. Okay, yes, one tap chemistry. One tap chemistry, this is a biology class. Okay, so that's interesting. Hi Vishal, hello, good evening everybody. So this is definitely going to be a nice session as it looks like. Okay, everybody, okay. So for all those who do not know me, I am your educator, Dr. Archi Maheshwari, and I am a plus educator at Unacademy. So students, I teach biology to grade 9, 10, 11 and 12, and I am a NEET expert since 6 years. So some of you who do not know me and some of you who know me, okay, I shall be introducing myself once again. Anyway, what are we going to study today? Today we are going to study animal tissues. Now a lot of feedback has come to me. What is the feedback? The feedback is that, ma'am, tissues is a very confusing chapter. It is a very difficult chapter. So I thought I'll pick it up on YouTube and I'm going to make it a little bit easy for you. Okay. Okay. Hi Rupesh. Hello Ritesh. Hi Shrishti. Good evening Harshit. Good evening. Hi Vasundhara. Hello Anamika. Very good evening everybody. So we have Archie Sinha also. Hello Archie Sinha. Nice to meet you. Okay. I mean, nice to see you on YouTube. Okay. Hi Shrishti. Hello Pankaj Jaiswal. Hello. Good evening, my dear students. Good evening, everybody. Very good evening. Very good evening. Nice to see my name type. I usually don't get to see. मेरे नाम वाले बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं होते हैं. But today we have, so I'm happy. Okay, so we have a lot of students who have joined in here. Lot of students who have joined in here, and today we are going to study animal tissues. कितने बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं? सबसे पहले मुझे बताएंगे. वन स्टेटमेंट, कितने बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं जिनको लगता है टिश्यूज एक डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर है? जल्दी से चैट में भेजो. हेलो साक्षी. हाय रिया. हाय सृष्टि. हेलो एवरीबॉडी. गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन. गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन. बताओ जल्दी से पहले मुझे, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक दैट टिश्यूज इज अ डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर? कम ऑन. आई एम गुड सृष्टि. थैंक यू. आई एम गुड. हाउ आर यू? हाँ, क्यों नहीं हो प्रदीप? क्यों नहीं हो? बिल्कुल नाइस हो, सब नाइस है. मुकुल, तुम प्रदीप नहीं हो, तुम मुकुल हो. ओके. अरे भाई, इतना सेंटिमेंटल क्यों हो जाते हैं ये बच्चे? ओके. आई एम गुड सृष्टि. ओके, यस, एवरीबडी इज नाइस. हेलो योगेश. सबको डिफिकल्ट लगता है. मुस्कान भी आई है और मुस्कान कह रही है कि सबको. हेलो मुस्कान. ओके. सो प्रदीप सेज इट इज नॉर्मल चैप्टर. रितेश सेज ओके. अच्छा, पढ़ा तो सब इजी है. हाँ, ठीक है, बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली, बिल्कुल. ठीक है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑफ कोर्स एन इजी चैप्टर. लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू वन थिंग, बिकॉज अभी we are in class 9, and then some of you of course do plan to take biology in class 11, right? Of course you do. some people have to become doctors, right? Okay, so when you go to class 11, you're going to have a deeper, a bit more extension into this chapter. So it is very important that while we are in class 9, we must cover the basics of this chapter. At least we should know what are the tissues of the body, right? So this is going to be a small session. It's going to be an introductory session for all kinds of tissues which are present in the body. Okay, I'm not going to cover every tissue in detail, because of course that cannot be done in one class. That requires like 6 to 7 classes if I have to go even a little bit into detail. Okay, so this is not no no मैं कैसी हूँ पंकज, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. प्रदीप कह रहे हैं कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, सबको डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है. हेलो अनामिका. नहीं, वसुंधरा, वसुंधरा सेज इट इज इजी. या ओके. सो सी, एवरीथिंग दैट इज डिफिकल्ट in हमारी पढ़ाई में, everything that is difficult, it is difficult because we have not understood it, right? It is only difficult because we have not understood it. If we understand the concept once, if we understand the application of it once, then of course it becomes easy, isn't it? सब कुछ easy लगता है अगर दिमाग में आ गया तो, अगर नहीं आया तो of course वो difficult है. Okay. So students, before beginning animal tissues, I am your educator, Dr. Archi Maheshwari, as you see here. A little brief about me. I have more than 6 years of experience and I am a plus educator here at Unacademy. So those who have not yet taken the plus, please do take the plus, because I have already started a long plus course on cell. And the first class was held today itself in the morning. The class is from 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, and it is a plus course, so it is going to be a slow and steady, nice long course wherein we can have a lot of question and answers. I ask a lot of questions, students answer them, and so on, right? So of course those classes are much more interesting and much more interactive. So for all those who have not yet taken the plus, this is going to be, just 1 second, this is going to be 1 second. Okay, this is going to be my code, which is ARCHILIVE. So my code is going to be ARCHILIVE. Okay, this is where this is going to be my code. So you can use this code and you can get a 10% off. Okay, on subscription of your plus account. Okay, ठीक है. Ha. Not easy, not hard, Ritesh says. Okay, very difficult. No, not difficult. Okay, so without any further delay, let us begin with our chapter. Okay, so this is going to be animal tissues. Now, how many kinds of animal tissues are present? सबसे पहले हम वही देखेंगे. क्या क्या होते हैं हमारी बॉडी में, what all types of animal tissues are present. So we have epithelial tissue, we have connective tissue, we have muscular tissue, and we have nervous tissue, right? So these are the kinds of tissues which are present in the body, which we are going to discuss little bit in brief about all of them. Okay, सृष्टि सेल चैप्टर, हाँ सेल चैप्टर ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो गया है. सृष्टि आनंद, सेल चैप्टर ऑलरेडी आई हैव स्टार्टेड टुडे. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट टेकन द प्लस, टेक द प्लस फास्ट एंड देन यू कैन जॉइन माय कोर्स, which starts at 11:30 every day in the morning and it ends at 12:30. So we have a 1 hour class every day. Okay everybody. All right, just give me 1 second. Okay, no, not this. All right, so these are the kinds of tissues that are present in our body. These are the kinds of tissues present in our body. So what are we going to do today? We are going to study about these tissues which are present, and let us discuss before going any forward that what is epithelial tissue. What do you think is epithelium? कितने बच्चों को clear concept में समझ आता है कि epithelium क्या होता है? Difficult for me to understand. नहीं, थोड़ा समझेंगे. Okay. हाँ जी. मैं ठीक हूँ. You're also good. Okay, fine. All right. So what is epithelial tissue? वहां से हम story start करते हैं अपनी. So epithelial tissue is basically a lining or a covering. जब हम outer surface की बात करते हैं, when we talk about the outer surface of the body, in that the epithelium is present on the outer surface. But when we talk about the internal organs or the visceral organs of the body, in those cases epithelium is present towards the fluid facing it. Say for example, over here if you see, in this, the stomach over here, do you see the stomach? Do you see the new slide, everybody? Okay, you don't have quiz today. No Shweta. 1 second. Okay, fine. Let me know if there's any lag. Let me know if there's any lag. Guys, I am going to bring a Menti quiz. Lines the cavities, that is true. फंक्शन याद करने की ट्रिक बताऊं? हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल 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 ठीक है. इससे पहले, because lot of students have been asking for quiz and Menti quiz and things like that, let me just tell you that I am going to bring a Menti quiz, and that is going to be held on 16th of November. 16th of November को Menti quiz होगी. ठीक है, that is going to be held at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. is going to be a Menti quiz on diversity chapter, diversity in living organisms, right? So that is going to be a Menti quiz, 5 o'clock. Okay. Okay, everybody. Okay, fine. Fine. No, Shweta, we do not have a quiz today. But I will keep asking questions and I will keep asking answers. So you have to answer. Okay, so what happens in epithelial tissue? What happens in epithelial tissue? In epithelial tissue, when present inside the body surface, when it lines the visceral organs of the body or the internal organs of the body, it must face the fluid. It must face the fluid, which means that epithelium over here in the stomach should face inside. All right, should face inside, because there, that is where the fluid is present. What fluid are we talking about in the stomach? Come on, tell me. Hello, Himanshu. What kind of fluid are we talking about when we talk about stomach? Write it, please. I am waiting for all answers. Come on, let me know. बताओ जल्दी से बच्चों, जल्दी से बताओ. What kind of quiz are we talking about here? Oh, sorry. What kind of fluid are we talking about? Please explain epithelial tissue. Okay, fine. किसी को नहीं पता स्टमक के अंदर कौन सा फ्लूइड प्रेजेंट होता है? Nobody knows? Is it? Nobody knows? कि आंसर्स आ रहे हैं, थोड़े स्लो आ रहे हैं आंसर्स एक्चुअली आप लोगों के मेरे पास. आ तो रहे हैं, थोड़े स्लो आ रहे हैं. सृष्टि ने बोला एपिथेलियल टिश्यू दोबारा समझा दो. अभी समझा देती हूँ सृष्टि. जस्ट वेट 1 मिनट. ओके, पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि स्टमक के अंदर कौन सा फ्लूइड होता है? होता भी है कि नहीं होता है? माय गॉड, डू स्टूडेंट्स नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फ्लूइड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर? Okay, so many students and people are not answering. Why? I don't understand. हाँ बिल्कुल हिमांशु, बिल्कुल. यू कैन सी मी लाइव, राइट? आई एम राइट हियर लाइव, एब्सोल्युटली. ठीक है. Okay, bile juice. No, Vasundhara, it is not bile juice. Definitely not. Vasundhara, bile juice is not present in the stomach. So what kind of juice? Epithelial tissue will get dissolved, Ashok says. अच्छा, okay. ठीक है. No, Anamika, it is not bile juice. It is gastric juice which is present in the stomach. So stomach के अंदर present होता है HCl. याद नहीं है आपको? HCl, hydrochloric acid, is present in the stomach. So hydrochloric acid is secreted by certain cells in the stomach, right? Those cells must be present in the internal lining of the stomach. The cells which will be present in the internal lining of the stomach, they are going to secrete the acid, and that secreted or that acid or that secretion is going to be present in the khali jagah, in the cavity of the stomach. Is my point clear to everybody? So epithelial tissue मैं समझा रही थी. epithelial tissue क्या होता है? देखो, पहली चीज, either it should face the environment, which is like skin. So either it should face the environment or it should face some kind of fluid. Okay. Hi Rutuja. Yes, that's correct. Hello Vishnu. Hello Ashok. Okay. Bile juice incorrect है. Ritesh, what are you not understanding? Hello Vishnu. Hello everybody. Yes Rutuja, that is correct. It is gastric juice. So stomach के अंदर जो juice present होता है उसका नाम होता है gastric juice, and gastric juice is formed by HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, and some other enzymes. Okay, so epithelium के लिए क्या important है? Point number 1, जल्दी से learn करेंगे सारे बच्चे. Point number 1, either it should face the environment, या तो बाहर वाले surface को face करना चाहिए, जैसे हमारी skin पे होता है, mucous membrane में होता है ना, mouth के अंदर mucous membrane present होती है, वो होता है, वहां पे epithelium होता है. और when present in the hollow organs or when present in the internal organs of the body, वो फेस करता है किसी फ्लूइड की तरफ, जैसे स्टमक में गैस्ट्रिक जूस होगा, है ना, और उसके अलावा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में इंटेस्टाइनल जूस होगा. तो वो अंदर की लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में प्रेजेंट होता है. क्या ये बात सबको समझ आ गई है अब? डाइवर्सिटी का लाइव कब है? डाइवर्सिटी का लाइव है बेटा 16 नवंबर 16 को, विच इज अ मंडे। आज मंडे है, नेक्स्ट मंडे को मेंटी क्विज है शाम को 5 बजे, 5 o'clock इन द इवनिंग। ओके, रेगुलर, हाँ मेंटी है, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग ऋतुजा, ऋतुजा मेंटी ओनली आई एम टेलिंग। ओके 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 ओके, ऑल राइट ऑल राइट। हाँ जी, नो 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 निदा, देर इज नो मेंटी टुडे, देर इज नो मेंटी टुडे। Daily schedule. Yogesh Rai, you have to find me. This is my name. This is my name. I am Dr. Archi Maheshwari. This is my name. This is where you have to find me on Unacademy. And this is where you have to follow me so that you come to know when my courses are coming, what all classes I'm going to take. As of now, for everybody's knowledge, I am already taking a plus course on the chapter Cell, the fundamental unit of life. And that course starts at 11:30 in the morning every day. Today was the first class of the course. If you have not subscribed to Plus yet, please do subscribe. Use my code, which is ARCHILIVE, for 10% discount. Please use my code and subscribe to Plus so that you are able to attend my Cell course. And after that, I am going to come up with a detailed course on animal tissues. Not just animal tissues, plant tissues as well. So the entire tissues chapter ke upar I am going to bring a course which you will be able to attend only if you have a Plus subscription, because I am a Plus educator and I mostly take Plus classes on Unacademy. Okay, hi Nayan, hello Monu, hello everybody, hello Pranav, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबडी, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबडी। डाइवर्सिटी चैप्टर का कब है मैंने बता दिया आपको, मंडे को है। मोनू क्या लगता है आपको, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है स्क्रीन पे, देखो जल्दी से पढ़ो पढ़ो। अगर आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये कौन सा चैप्टर है तो फिर तो वो गलत बात है ना। ओके, सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग एपिथेलियल टिश्यू। सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट एपिथेलियम इज बेसिकली अ कवरिंग और अ लाइनिंग। व्हेन प्रेजेंट ऑन द आउटर surface it is the covering, when present in the inner organs it is a lining which faces the fluid. Okay, so let us read about epithelial tissue. Epithelium covers most organs and cavities within the body. So it covers most organ and also it is present within the cavities of the body. It also forms a barrier to keep different body systems separate. Okay, because it is the outer covering, so it of course forms a barrier. Okay, first chapter tissue. Hello everybody, hello everybody, good evening, good evening, good evening. मेंटी आज नहीं है नयन, आज नहीं है मेंटी। ऋतुजा आज नहीं है मेंटी, बेटा बता तो दिया आज नहीं है मेंटी। मेंटी इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन 16th of November 5 p.m. on diversity. Okay, so the skin, the lining present in the mouth, the lining of the blood vessels. What are blood vessels? What are the kinds of blood vessels that we have? Come on, let me just see how much you know about biology. What are the kind of blood vessels that we have, you and I, humans? What are the kind of blood vessels? बताओ जल्दी से। हाँ सृष्टि, मंडे को है, मंडे को है, मंडे को होगा। आज मंडे है ना, नेक्स्ट मंडे को मेंटी होगा। ओके, हाँ जल्दी से बताओ चलो कौन कौन से टाइप के। ओके, एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज, स्क्वामस, कॉलम्स एंड क्यूबॉइडल आदि। वो नहीं पूछा मैंने अशोक, वो नहीं पूछा मैंने पूछा है व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स व्हिच कैन बी फाउंड इन योर बॉडी। व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स व्हिच कैन बी फाउंड इन योर बॉडी, ये पूछा है मैंने। अब ये तो वही बात होगी कि आई एम आस्किंग यू कि भाई व्हाट इज योर नेम एंड यू विल टेल मी योर एड्रेस, है ना। doesn't work like that. When I ask you what is your name, then you have to tell me that what is your name. You don't have to tell me your address. Okay, okay. RBC, platelets, capillaries, ये क्या हो रहा है? WBC, RBC are the types of cells, are the types of cells which are present, are the types of cells which are present in blood. Okay, I am asking you the type of blood vessels. एक आंसर अभी तक थोड़ा सा ठीक आया है, which is capillary, थोड़ा सा ठीक है वो भी, but what I was looking for was एक सेकंड, किसने आंसर दिया? कैपिलरीज कहाँ चला गया? अभी तो आया था यहाँ पे कहीं से। कैपिलरीज, आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स, वसुंधरा ने बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर दिया। गुड वसुंधरा, गुड वसुंधरा। एंड देन योगेश ऑल्सो, एंड देन वसुंधरा। यस वसुंधरा, एब्सोल्युटली। टू टाइप्स, आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स, सुरेंद्र ने बोला बिल्कुल सही। सो आर्टरी, वेन्स एंड कैपिलरीज आर द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स विच आर present in our body, and the inner surface of these blood vessels is lined by epithelium. बिल्कुल, इट इज लाइंड बाय एपिथेलियम, क्योंकि मैंने आपको क्या बताया, हॉलो ऑर्गन। हॉलो ऑर्गन मतलब कोई भी ऑर्गन जो अंदर से खाली है, जैसे कि ब्लड वेसल्स, अगर वो हॉलो नहीं होंगे, सो बेसिकली ब्लड वेसल्स आर लाइक पाइप्स, है ना, ऐसे पाइप के जैसा होता है। तो पाइप के अंदर ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा होता है। अगर पाइप नहीं होगा, ब्लड अगर फ्लो नहीं करेगा अंदर, तो काम कैसे चलेगा? सो दे हैव टू बी हॉलो ऑर्गन्स, एंड ऑल हॉलो ऑर्गन्स आर लाइंड बाय एपिथेलियम। सिमिलरली लंग एल्वियोलाई, ओके ओके, लंग एल्वियोलाई, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाट आर, हाँ लंग एल्वियोलाई क्या होते हैं? एल्वियोलाई क्या होते हैं? एल्वियोलाई आर द साइट्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस, जहां पे हमारी बॉडी में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ऑक्सीजन का एक्सचेंज होता है. सो दे आर साइट्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस, लंग एल्वियोलाई. वहां भी एपिथेलियम है, हाँ बिल्कुल एपिथेलियम है. एंड किडनी ट्यूब्यूल्स, व्हाट आर दीज किडनी ट्यूब्यूल्स? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी what are the structural and functional units of kidneys? The structural and functional unit of kidneys, jaldi se batao, chalo I'm waiting for answers. Come on everybody, tell me. Hi Divya, yes your answer is correct. Exchange take place, there should be epithelial. सुरेंद्र इस पे थोड़ा सा और डिटेल डिस्कशन करेंगे, बिल्कुल. ऋतुजा, यू विल गेट द पीडीएफ, ये आपके पास हमेशा रहेगा बेटा, ये मतलब ये आपके पास हमेशा रहेगा. द यूट्यूब इज गोइंग टू, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी देयर, राइट? बट इफ यू वांट स्पेसिफिक नोट्स देन यू हैव टू कम फॉर माय प्लस क्लास, because there I provide proper notes, like the PDFs are there. Okay, so you have to attend my plus class for that. Yes, so you have to subscribe to plus, for which you have to use the code ARCHILIVE, and you will then be subscribed to plus. Code use करोगे तो 10% off मिलेगा, and then when you are on plus you can फटाफट से you can follow me and then you can attend my courses, right? Explain in Hindi, मोनू. अच्छा ठीक है मोनू, ओके ओके. ऋतुजा स्पैम मत करो बेटा, सेल आ गया आपका, एक बार आ गया आपका सेल. हाँ बोला ना मैंने, प्लस में आ जाओ, प्लस में है सेल के नोट्स. यहाँ पे नोट्स नहीं है बेटा, फुल ऑन नोट्स नहीं है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो मैंने आपसे पूछा था व्हाट आर द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट्स ऑफ किडनीज, उसका आंसर नहीं आया अभी तक. मोनू ने बोला हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करो एपिथेलियल टिश्यू को, तो वो कर देती हूं मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन एपिथेलियल टिश्यू को. एपिथेलियल टिश्यू बेसिकली कोड, प्रणव कोड इज ARCHILIVE. ये देखो नीचे लिखा है स्लाइड के नीचे, डू यू सी दिस ARCHILIVE, ये है कोड. ओके, हेलो बिट्टू, hello, good evening everybody. Please guys don't spam, answer the question that I have asked. अगर नहीं आता तो मुझे बताओ, मैं बताती हूँ फिर, ठीक है? हिंदी में जल्दी से एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. मोनू ने पूछा है एपिथेलियल टिश्यू वो होता है जो या तो आउटर कवरिंग, जो तो या तो कवर करे, ठीक है, जैसे कि स्किन के ऊपर एपिथेलियम होता है या स्किन कंपोज्ड ऑफ एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, राइट? तो या तो वो बाहर के एनवायरमेंट को फेस करेगा, या तो बाहर के एनवायरमेंट की तरफ रहेगा, या फिर जब वो बॉडी के अंदर प्रेजेंट होगा, इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स में प्रेजेंट होगा, तब वो किसी ना किसी फ्लूइड को फेस कर रहा होगा. जैसे स्टमक में होगा तो HCl गैस्ट्रिक जूस को फेस कर रहा होगा, जैसे इंटेस्टाइन में होगा तो इंटेस्टिनल जूस को फेस कर रहा होगा, जैसे अगर ब्लड वेसल्स में होगा तो ब्लड को फेस कर रहा होगा, राइट? तो अगर ये ब्लड वेसल है तो इसके इनर लाइनिंग पे यहाँ पे इस तरीके से एपिथेलियम होगा, अंदर की तरफ, ठीक है? ओके एवरीबडी. फिल्ट्रेशन सुरेंद्र ने बोला. ओके रितेश, हाँ ठीक है, मैं बताती हूँ. सो द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट्स ऑफ किडनी आर नेफ्रॉन्स. उन नेफ्रॉन्स के पास भी एपिथेलियम होता है, राइट? सो द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनीज आर नेफ्रॉन्स, एंड नेफ्रॉन्स also have epithelial tissue. Okay, so epithelial tissue cells, they are tightly packed and they form a continuous sheet. What does it mean? It means that the epithelial cells, they are very tightly packed with each other. There is not much space between the cells, because think of this, if they have to form a covering, then they have to be protective in nature, right? So if they have to form a covering, they have to be protective in nature. If they have to be protective in nature, then they cannot allow anything to pass through it. So if you put anything on your skin, does it just like go inside? No, because this epithelium is providing you protection. So it is a continuous sheet and there is no space between the cells. The cells are tightly packed. Yes Monu, बिल्कुल सही. Yes, that's right, that's good, that's right. Okay. मेंबरशिप ले ली है, मेरा कोड यूज करा है राहुल आपने? आप क्विज कंडक्ट करवाओ. हाँ हिमांशु, क्विज आ रहा है बेटा. यस मोनू, बिल्कुल सही पहचाना आपने. लाइक स्किन इज एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, बिल्कुल सही. हाँ, प्रोटेक्ट करता है ना एपिथेलियल टिश्यू. अगर एपिथेलियल टिश्यू प्रोटेक्ट करेगा तो उसमें जगह बीच में खाली जगह नहीं होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो प्रोटेक्ट कैसे करेगा? फिर कंटिन्यूस शीट होगी तभी तो प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, ठीक है? सो दे हैव only a small amount of cementing material between them and almost no intercellular spaces. Intercellular space का क्या मतलब हुआ? Inter means between and cellular means two. So there is no space between two cells. The two cells are ऐसे tightly packed with each other. There is no space between the cells. क्योंकि अगर space होगा तो कुछ भी जाके infectious agent या anything, any outside material can just enter, which we do not want because we want protection from epithelial tissue. Okay. अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं सुरेंद्र। या थैंक यू हर्षित, थैंक यू। ओके ओके बिट्टू, हाँ ठीक है, ओके ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो परमिएबिलिटी, व्हाट इज परमिएबिलिटी? परमिएबिलिटी होता है किसी भी चीज को पेनिट्रेट, किसी भी चीज को पेनिट्रेट करने की एबिलिटी। सो परमिएबिलिटी ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ वेरियस एपिथेलिया प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन रेगुलेटिंग द एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल्स बिटवीन द बॉडी एंड एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट एंड ऑल्सो बिटवीन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी। नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट, ये समझना है हमको कि ये लॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट का क्या मतलब है। लॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट को एक एग्जाम्पल लेके समझते हैं, ठीक है। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव एल्वियोलाई, राइट, यू हैव एल्वियोलाई। एल्वियोलाई में कौन होता है? ओके ओके, यस यस, ओके फाइन फाइन फाइन, चलो ठीक है, ठीक, एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लूं पहले, एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ पहले, ठीक है। एल्वियोलाई आर प्रेजेंट इन, वेयर आर एल्वियोलाई प्रेजेंट? चलो बस ये बताओ मुझे, लिख के बताओ, चलो जल्दी से लिख के बताओ, चलो जल्दी से, एल्वियोलाई कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं? वेयर आर एल्वियोलाई प्रेजेंट? जल्दी से बताएंगे बच्चे, कहाँ होते हैं एल्वियोलाई? तो पता है हमको, सब बच्चों को पता है एल्वियोलाई कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं। बताओ 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 जल्दी से, कम ऑन कम ऑन, सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर हियर, किसी को नहीं पता एल्वियोलाई क्या होते हैं? ओके बताओ, नहीं पता, ठीक है। एल्वियोलाई आर प्रेजेंट इन, अरे भाई ऋतुजा, तुम्हारी किडनी में एल्वियोलाई है, ये तो बड़ी दुख की बात हुई। एल्वियोलाई आर प्रेजेंट इन लंग्स, एल्वियोलाई कब से किडनी में होने लगे? किडनी में तो नेफ्रॉन्स होते हैं, किडनी में नेफ्रॉन्स होते हैं, नी, प्रदीप के नी में प्रेजेंट हो गए भाई। ये क्या हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्लास, सच में क्लास 9 के बच्चे हैं तो क्लास 5 का बच्चा भी बता देते हैं कि एल्वियोलाई कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं। सो एल्वियोलाई आर प्रेजेंट इन लंग्स, एल्वियोलाई आर प्रेजेंट इन लंग्स, ओके। एंड लंग्स में होता है एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज, वी इनहेल ऑक्सीजन एंड वी एक्सहेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सो देयर इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज थ्रू द एल्वियोलाई एंड एल्वियोलाई आर प्रेजेंट इन लंग्स, राइट, ओके ठीक है। हाँ, सामिया ने सही आंसर दिया है, गुड। अच्छा राहुल, तुमने मेरा कोड यूज किया कि नहीं किया? ये देखो, हार्ट में, स्टमक में, कुछ भी, लंग्स, बहुत सारे आंसर्स लंग्स आए हैं। अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, ओके 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 वसुंधरा, yes absolutely Vasundhara, you are right that exchange of gases takes place through alveoli. So carbon dioxide has to be exhaled and oxygen which is inhaled has to now go into the blood. So basically alveoli में बहुत thin epithelium होता है। ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनेंगे, ये जो line है, this is a very long statement and we are going to decipher it, we are going to divide it into small parts and we are going to understand it, okay. So what happens is that when there are alveoli, the alveoli are surrounded by blood vessels, right? Alveoli are going to be surrounded by blood vessels. Why? Because the blood is only carrying carbon dioxide and blood only has to carry carbon dioxide also. So blood which is carrying carbon dioxide, now that carbon dioxide has to come out of blood and it has to go into the alveoli, because only when it comes into the alveoli, only then you are going to be able to exhale it through your respiratory tract, isn't it? So what is happening over here? That alveoli are going to extract oxygen from blood, carbon dioxide from blood, and blood is going to extract oxygen from alveoli. So there is going to be an exchange of gases like this. So oxygen is going to now dissolve into blood and carbon dioxide which was dissolved in blood is already been extracted, as has been taken out of blood, it has come into the alveoli. From the alveoli, it is going to come up all the way up to the respiratory tract, to your external nostrils, and you will exhale it. But for the oxygen which you have inhaled, that is now going to go into the blood, and it will be supplied to all parts of the body. So different epithelia. So think of this: if the alveoli have to do so much of exchange of gases, then they must be lined by very thin epithelium, isn't it? Because if I want that something should pass through this, then the membrane or the lining should be very thin, isn't it? ये बात समझ में आई है सबको? Yes. अच्छा, ठीक है राहुल, अगर किया होगा तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा। राहुल, अगर किया होगा तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा। ओके, थ्रू डिफ्यूजन, दैट इज करेक्ट, थ्रू डिफ्यूजन, दैट इज करेक्ट। हेलो फौजान, हाय, हेलो मुस्कान, ओके, हेलो पीपल, हेलो पीपल। Okay, so now what is going to happen over there is that the thin lining, the very thin lining is going to act as a very thin membrane through which exchange is going to occur, and that thin membrane is going to be made only of epithelium, which is going to be again very thin. What kind of epithelium is the thinnest epithelium? We have types of epithelia which we are going to study here in detail. The types of epithelia are squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium and stratified epithelium. Do you see all the types of epithelia? फिर से बता दूं? ओके, हाँ ठीक है, फिर से बता सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फिर से बताने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है। सो आई वाज टेलिंग यू दैट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गन एंड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन, द epithelium that is going to line that particular organ is going to be different, right? So for example, like we are taking the example of alveoli where exchange of gases is going to take place, the epithelium has to be very thin. Otherwise, if the epithelium is very thick, then how is gaseous exchange going to take place? Gaseous exchange will become very difficult if the epithelium is going to be thick, right? So which is the thinnest epithelium that you see here? Tell me in the diagram. हाँ योगेश, बिल्कुल 12th, बिल्कुल योगेश, यस आई एम क्लास 12 एजुकेटर। हाँ वही हूँ मैं। हाँ पता नहीं, देखते हैं राहुल, मुझे पता चल जाएगा, देन आई विल कम एंड आई विल टेल यू। ओके, हाँ सिंपल स्क्वामस, वसुंधरा ने बहुत अच्छा सा आंसर दिया। एब्सोल्युटली, विच इज गोइंग टू बी द थिनेस्ट एपिथेलियम? थिनेस्ट एपिथेलियम इज सिंपल स्क्वामस एपिथेलियम। डू यू सी हियर? Squamous epithelium, the simple squamous epithelium is the thinnest type of epithelium. That means that is the epithelium which is going to be present when diffusion is occurring. Okay, do you see the next type of epithelium, which is B, stratified squamous epithelium? Do you see stratified squamous epithelium? The stratified squamous epithelium, yes Rutuja, that's correct. Srishti, that's correct. Very good Vasundhara, very good. Okay, so do you see the stratified squamous epithelium? So here the stratified squamous epithelium is an epithelium which has got layers, So if it is a stratified, layer के ऊपर layer के ऊपर layer के ऊपर layer, अगर वो एक layered epithelium है तो वो क्या काम बहुत अच्छा करेगा? Can diffusion occur through it easily? Now I am telling you the difference between squamous and stratified squamous. So squamous is a very thin layer through which diffusion can occur. But do you see stratified squamous epithelium, how thick it is? Can diffusion occur? Can diffusion occur through this stratified squamous epithelium? जल्दी बताओ। प्रदीप, आपको क्या करना है? अपना काम करो। Please retract this. Okay. That's not your name. I will not say it because that's not your real name. If it's your real name, then I'll say it. Okay? Yes, Vasundhara. Okay. It's present in skin. That is good. Squamous located in blood vessels. Yes, Ashok, that is correct. Rutuja, Maharashtra board syllabus is not very different from this syllabus. It is more or less same syllabus only, and plus in by the guidelines of CBSE, it is the same kind of syllabus. There are hardly difference of 1 or 2 chapters, or that is also not there, I guess, because I have taught Maharashtra board also, but there is no problem with that. Similar syllabus is there. Okay. Diffusion cannot occur, Vasundhara says. Yes, that's correct. Hello, Gaurav. So, a lot of new students joining in. Hi, Gaurav. Then we have Muskan. Muskan says no, nahi ho sakta. Samriddhi also says nahi ho sakta. Shrishti, come. You have to come to my plus class, beta. Hi, Tejas. Hello, Samriddhi. Okay, नहीं हो सकता। सृष्टि वही बता रही हूँ, अगर सेल में डाउट है, आई एम गुड गौरव, सृष्टि, अगर सेल में डाउट है तो आपको मेरे प्लस कोर्स में आना पड़ेगा, वहां पे सेल चल रहा है, वहां पे डाउट्स आंसर होंगे। आई एम गुड, आई एम गुड, आई एम गुड। ओके सृष्टि, यस, ओके 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 ओके। अरे भाई कितना स्पैम करते हो, कितना स्पैम करते हो, एक स्टेटमेंट 500 टाइम्स यू विल सेंड, क्या क्या कर रहे हो? Yes, tiles like a tiles on floor is also known as squamous epithelium. Yes, that's correct. That you can see in the diagram. It just looks like tiles on the floor, right? It just looks like tiles on the floor. Stratified squamous can do protection and is present in skin. बिल्कुल सही है वसुंधरा, absolutely correct. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। जो स्ट्रैटिफाइड स्क्वामस एपिथेलियम है उसमें बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं, उसमें बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं, एंड ऑल दोज लेयर्स, सो मेनी लेयर्स, दे कैन प्रोवाइड वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन। सो नाउ यू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिंपल स्क्वामस epithelium and stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, so we move ahead with cuboidal and columnar epithelium, right? Cuboidal epithelium, okay everybody, so I'm visible again. Am I visible again? Okay, there's a little bit of network issue. Not network, actually it was the electricity. So now it is okay. Am I visible and audible to everybody now? Am I? Yes, yes, guys. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing about epithelial tissues. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes. Neha, why would you be called dope, Neha? Okay, fine, 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 everybody. All right. Little bit of electricity issue was there, but I think it has been resolved now. So no problem. So no problem at all. Okay. No, no, Ashok, not so much, not so much, not so much. That is why I was writing. Okay, guys. Okay, fine, 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 fine. So we shall continue. Yeah, so we shall continue. Okay, so now you know what is cuboidal epithelium, cuboidal and columnar epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium is cube-like cells. Okay. So okay, okay, okay. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। वसुंधरा was answering. तेजस, तेजस, ये तो बहुत सारे नए बच्चे आ गए बीच में। लिविंग सेल को कौन डिस्कवर किया था? तेजस ने पूछा था। तेजस, लिविंग सेल वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय एंटोन वॉन ल्यूवेनहॉक। एंटोन वैन ल्यूवेनहॉक ने लिविंग सेल को डिस्कवर किया था, है ना? Okay, but otherwise, who has been credited with the discovery of cell? That is Robert Hooke. ठीक है, ओके ठीक है, वसुंधरा ने आंसर दिया था। आपका प्लस कैसे लेना है? सृष्टि, आपको बेटा कोड दिख रहा है एक नीचे स्क्रीन पे। कैन यू सी द कोड? दैट इज अर्ची लाइव। सो यू हैव टू टेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन। वंस यू टेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन, यू हैव टू एंटर अ कोड फॉर 10% डिस्काउंट। ठीक है, तो वो कोड में आपको ये डालना है, अर्ची लाइव, दैट इज माई नेम। ठीक है, ये डालोगे उसमें कोड की जगह आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, एंड देन यू विल बिकम अ प्लस मेंबर। सो व्हेन यू बिकम अ प्लस मेंबर फॉर क्लास 9, आप 10, 11th और 12th की क्लासेस भी अटेंड कर सकते हो साथ में। जैसे चलती कोई कोई बच्चे होते हैं बहुत सारे ऐसे जो 9th के होते हैं, बट दे कम इन माई 11th की क्लास ऑल्सो, कि मैम थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ने का मन था। सो स्टूडेंट्स डू दैट। सो यू गेट द 10th, 11th एंड 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑल्सो अलॉन्ग विद दैट इफ यू बाय। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं। लेक्चर कब लेते हो? हेलो हेलो वर्चस्व, हेलो वर्चस्व। ओके ठीक है सृष्टि, समझ आ गया। लेक्चर लेती हूँ राहुल जी। हाँ, नहीं बेटा, मेंटी नहीं है, मेंटी 16th को है, मेंटी इज ऑन 16th। राहुल, लेक्चर लेती हूँ मैं सुबह 11:30 बजे, एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग एट 11:30 आई हैव अ लेक्चर ऑन प्लस। So you have to take the subscription of plus, you have to use my code, and you have to take the subscription of plus, and then you can attend all my plus lectures, which is even better. All right, Jia, menti nahi hai beta aaj, menti is going to be on 16th, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. is going to be menti quiz. Okay, okay everybody, so shall we move ahead? We shall move ahead. Okay, okay Ritika, that's nice, that's nice. ओके ठीक है, तो सबके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल गए, जिस जिसके जो जो क्वेश्चंस थे। अब हम बढ़ते हैं आगे। ठीक है, and we shall move to cuboidal epithelium. So what happens in cuboidal epithelium? The cells are cube-like, and cuboidal epithelium is mostly present in the ducts, the small little tube-like things which are present in the body. Say for example within the nephron, or salivary glands के जो ducts होते हैं, या any ducts which are present in the body, any tube-like, thin tube-like, there you are going to find cuboidal epithelium. And where are you going to find columnar epithelium? You're going to find columnar epithelium mostly in glands, mostly in the cells which are going to carry out secretion. So that is about columnar epithelium. Okay, and what is ciliated? Ciliated is the epithelium where cilia are present. And what do cilia do? Cilia carry out movement. Okay, so ciliated epithelium is going to be present in places where any kind of movement is going to be required, because cilia are locomotory structures. Basically, they help in movement. When they are present in the body of organism, they help the organism to move. Do we remember the diagram of paramecium? How many remember the diagram of paramecium? How many remember the diagram of paramecium? Varchasva, you're asking me what's my name. I thought you would know that already. My name is Dr. Archi Maheshwari. Okay, everybody. All right. So let us move ahead. Let us move ahead, and let us move to ciliated. So I was telling you ciliated epithelium. So ciliated epithelium is done. So let us move to the next type of tissue, which is the connective tissue. नाम से क्या पता चल रहा है? What is connective tissue? Connective tissue is the tissue which connects. Of course, as simple as that. So what is that tissue? Let us just take an opinion. What is that tissue? What is diploid, haploid? Srishti, it has nothing to do with tissues. It has nothing to do with tissues. You have to come to the plus class to get the answers of all these questions. Then I will explain you nicely what is diploid and what is haploid. But not here. This is tissue ka class, mein bachche. Beta, this is tissue ka class, है ना? And that one is not a part of this. Okay. ओके सो ऑलराइट, सो हम बढ़ते हैं आगे. कनेक्टिव टिश्यू क्या होता है? तो आपको क्या लगता है कौन है वो, कौन सा टिश्यू है जो पूरी बॉडी को कनेक्ट किए हुए है? व्हाट इज इट दैट कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी? कैन समबडी टेल मी व्हाट इज इट? व्हाट इज इट दैट कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी? व्हाट टिश्यू इज दैट? बताओ जल्दी से. कौन बताएगा मुझे? जल्दी से बताओ बच्चों. कम ऑन टेल फास्ट. वी हैड समबडी. शौर्या, हेलो शौर्या. किस्मत उपाध्याय. ओके, बहुत सारे नए बच्चे आए. ओके, बताओ जल्दी से. कम ऑन एवरीबडी, टेल मी फास्ट. Yes, it is blood. It is blood. So blood is that tissue which comes in contact with all parts of the body. Blood is that tissue which comes in contact with all parts of the body. So what is blood? Blood is a connective tissue because it connects all the organs of the body. So it becomes a connective tissue. So blood, a connective tissue. It has got cells. हम tissue की definition क्या पढ़ते हैं? Wherein cells come together and they perform a specific function. So what are the cells present in blood? The cells present in blood are RBCs, WBCs and platelets, right? Okay, so cells of connective tissue are loosely spaced and embedded in intercellular matrix. Matrix क्या होता है बच्चों? Ground substance. नहीं वर्चस्व, bones नहीं होते. Connective tissue. Okay. हेलो किस्मत उपाध्याय. हाय मुस्कान, आ गई वापस. हाँ, ब्लड होता है, बिल्कुल सही है, ब्लड होता है. सो ब्लड के अंदर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स होते हैं विच आर सस्पेंडेड और प्रेजेंट इन अ मैट्रिक्स. द मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड plasma. That's correct, plasma. And plasma contains various things, the most important being proteins, salts, hormones. Now everything that has to be transported around the body to various organs, all of that has to be present in the plasma. So blood flows and transports gases, we know, digested food, of course all the energy, all the glucose that we have consumed after consuming the food, all the glucose that is produced after consuming the food, that glucose has to travel across the body. How does it travel? It travels through blood. Okay, and then bone is another example of connective tissue. Of course, bone is another example. It connects one part of the body to another part of the body. Right? Yes, that's correct. Okay, so blood is a connective tissue. Bones are connective tissues, right? Also bones, they are the framework of our body. skeleton कौन बनाता है? Who makes up the skeleton of the body? The bones. Basically, bones are the ones which have actually held our body in that certain shape, in that certain position, isn't it? Because in the absence of bones, it would be very difficult for us to have a structure proper framework. All right, then it also anchors means joints, so it also joins the muscles and supports the main organs of the body. All right, okay, so bone cells, does bone have cells? Yes, it does. Apart from cells, what else does bone have? Which mineral is found in bone in abundance? Tell me your answers. Come on, tell me your answers. Which is the mineral that you would abundantly find in bones? Come on, let me have your answers. Okay. Mineral abundantly found in bones. जल्दी से बताएंगे मुझे बच्चे आंसर्स अपने अपने. I want lot of answers. I want lot of answers. Come on. थोड़ा सा. Okay. चलो. स्किन क्या है मैम? स्किन क्या है? स्किन ऑर्गन होता है बेटा. वर्चस स्किन इज एन ऑर्गन. क्वेश्चन क्या है? माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट which mineral is found abundantly in bones? That is my question. And I'm looking for answer. Okay. ठीक है, सही है, क्वेश्चन आ चुका है, सो आंसर आ गया है हमारे पास कैल्शियम एंड दैट इज करेक्ट. सो लॉट ऑफ कैल्शियम. सो अदर देन सेल्स व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इन द बोन्स? इट इज कैल्शियम, राइट? वहां लिखा भी है. ओके चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोन्स. ओके, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर connective tissue. How many types of connective tissues have we studied? We have studied about blood, we have studied about bones. Then there is another type of connective tissue which is called cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is something that is not as hard as a bone and it is not as soft as muscle. So what is it? Cartilage is something that has an in-between consistency. It is solid, but it is not hard. So it is rigid. That means it is not flexible. It is ओके. हाँ ठीक है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारे आंसर्स ऑलरेडी आ गए. ऑल राइट. हाय हरिहर. शिवानी कैल्शियम. अच्छा शिवानी आपका नाम है. ओके शिवानी. ठीक है. ओके. मुस्कान हेलो. बोन मैरो क्या है? बोन मैरो इज अ कैविटी विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द bone marrow is a cavity which is present in the bone, and it is the bone marrow where all the blood cells are formed in the body. In an adult human being, all the blood cells are formed in the bone marrow, right? So that a cavity which is present within the bone where all the blood cells form, that is called the bone marrow. All right. Different types. Surendra Prasad says different types. Yes, these are different types of connective tissues. So then we have cartilage. A type of cartilage which is most abundantly found in the body is hyaline cartilage. So what is cartilage? I told you that it is rigid and it is solid. It does not have a fluid texture like blood. No. It is solid and it is rigid. But it is not hard. Hard is something that is like a bone, right? That has got calcium deposits. That is hard. But cartilage is not hard. And then you have areolar tissue. Areolar tissue is again a type of connective tissue which is a loose connective tissue which can be found anywhere. It is not rigid like a bone. It is not specifically found in some it is not found in some specific places like a bone is found. So areolar tissue is basically found everywhere in the body. It is found everywhere in the body, right? And then you have adipose tissue. Of course, who does not know adipose? Adipose is something that is disliked by everybody, right? Because adipose is fat. Good evening, Savita. Hi, good evening. Hello, Sunny. Good evening. What is epithelial tissue? Please tell me. Surendra. Yes, Monu, that is correct. Present inside the bone marrow. Present inside the bone, that is bone marrow. Good evening, Kriti. Good evening, Kriti Mishra. Okay, Sunny Yadav. Hello, good evening. Surendra, epithelial tissue. I have already explained, so I would recommend that after I finish my lecture, you watch it again, the beginning part where I have explained epithelium, so that would clarify your doubts because. I have already explained it like 3-4 times. Okay. All right. Yeah, skeletal. ओके. किस्मत उपाध्याय, हाई के अलावा कुछ और भी तो लिखो. 9th A में पढ़ते हो वो मुझे पता है, बट इसके अलावा हाई के अलावा कुछ और भी लिखो. आई एम आस्किंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. प्लीज आंसर दोस क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. ओके. Okay, so bone marrow. My question is, what is produced in the bone marrow? What is produced in the bone marrow? जल्दी से बच्चे आंसर देंगे. Okay, फॉलो नहीं किया तो कर लो. फॉलो नहीं किया तो क्यों नहीं किया? फॉलो करो. ओके. हाँ चलो. व्हाट इज कार्टिलेज? अनुष्का. अनुष्का सिंह 15. अनुष्का, cartilage is a type of connective tissue. Cartilage is also a type of connective tissue, right? That is also a special type of connective tissue, and that this is a type of connective tissue which is not fluid in nature, which is not very hard as a bone. It is something that is very very solid, and it is something that is rigid. It can give shape to something because it is rigid. It is not hard. So that is cartilage. Cartilage usually covers the surface of the bone. जब भी दो बोन्स आपस में बीच में, जब भी दो बोन्स आर्टिकुलेट करती हैं, जब भी दो बोन्स ज्वाइन करती हैं आपस में, तो डायरेक्टली बोन टू बोन कनेक्शन नहीं होता है, डायरेक्टली उनके बीच में कार्टिलेजेस होते हैं, राइट? सो कार्टिलेज जो होता है बोन के हेड को कवर करता है, इस तरीके से बोन के हेड को कवर करता है, दूसरी बोन के हेड को ऐसे कवर करेगा, एंड व्हेन दे कम टुगेदर टू फॉर्म अ जॉइंट, व्हेन टू बोन्स कम टुगेदर दे फॉर्म अ जॉइंट, राइट? सो व्हेन two cartilages, two bones come together to form a joint, then it is the cartilage. It is the cartilage which is close to each other, and the bones are behind the cartilages. Okay, 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 okay. All right. RNA कहाँ से आ गया? मैंने क्या पूछा? मैंने आपसे पूछा. Hello, Shiva Singh. Okay, so Anushka, I hope that answers your question. And Surendra Ahirwar, no, not RNA at all. No. What is present in the bone marrow? Red blood cells, white blood cells. They are produced. The blood cells, the platelets, the blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. So bone marrow is the site of production of blood cells. Okay, so two bones, just look at this. Two bones, they are directly connected to each other by ligaments. Now this is very very important, that two bones are the direct connection between two bones is by ligament. Okay, and muscles to bones are connected by tendons. Another type of connective tissue, that is cartilage. Cartilage has widely spaced cells. Like I told you that it is solid and it is rigid, but it is not hard. So the solid matrix is composed of proteins and sugars. Cartilage is present over the surface of the bone. Like I told you, when the two bones they come together, and want to articulate and form a joint, then it is the cartilage of both the bones that comes close to each other to form the joint, right? So it clearly says cartilage smoothens bone surfaces at joints and is also present in the nose, ear, trachea and larynx. Do you know where in your nose the cartilage is present? The cartilage is present in your nose, where it forms the septum, the division between the two nostrils. So the two nostrils, they lead to different passages, right? The division line in between is formed of cartilage. Okay. 10th में हूँ, अब क्या करूँ? 10th पास करूँ, फिर 11th में आ जाऊँ. इसमें क्या मुश्किल है? कुछ भी नहीं है ना? Can you please explain in English? I can't understand what you're saying. I'm from New York. We have same syllabus. Boss, had you understood English, you would definitely be appreciating that I have been speaking in English continuously. I think there is some doubt. All right. Okay. What is protozoa? Shiva is asking what is protozoa. Shiva, protozoa is nowhere near this chapter. Today I am dealing with tissues. Okay, so you have to join my plus course, because that is where I have already taken one plus course on diversity, and probably I'll be starting another one. So if you need details about protozoa, and if you need details about the other parts of the syllabus, then you have to take the plus, and then you have to attend my classes. Okay, so that is what you have to do. Okay. Hello everybody. Hello. गलती से लिख दिया. क्या लिख दिया मुझे पता नहीं. तुमने क्या लिखा? मैंने देखा नहीं तुमने क्या लिखा. राहुल, मैंने नहीं देखा. हाँ, तो डेड शॉट गेमिंग तुम्हें आंसर मिल गया. मैम मैं 10 में हूँ, अब क्या करूँ? अब क्या करना है? 10 में 10 पास करते हैं और फिर 11 में आ जाते हैं. सिंपल, राइट? सविता चमोली, आई डोंट नो व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. हेलो एवरीबडी सेइंग हेलो. हाय एवरीबडी. Hi everybody, what's your name? I want to search you in YouTube. My name is Dr. Archi Maheshwari, and instead of searching me on YouTube, it's better that you search me on Unacademy. Even if you want to search me on YouTube, you'll find some of my previous lectures that I have taken on YouTube, so that would be good if you find me. And also after you found me, please do follow me on Unacademy. Just find me on Unacademy, follow me, take the plus so that you can attend more of my classes. And because I'm coming up with a lot of new plus courses, so today I have started with a plus course on cell. and very soon I'll be starting with another plus course that is going to be on tissues. Okay, so all of this that we are just mentioning right now, everything is going to be dealt in detail in that plus course, which is going to be of tissues, which is going to start on 17th of November. 17th of November. Before that, we also have a Menti quiz on 16th of November from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. A Menti quiz on diversity on 16th of November from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I look forward to having you over there in that quiz. Just give me 1 second. Let me just see the 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. All right. Okay. Okay. हाँ ठीक है. Okay. All right, students. So that will be all. Hi, Pooja. Hello, hello, hello. Please ask questions, but I hardly get answers even if I ask questions. अच्छा आर्य ने गलती से लिख दिया था. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Savita, did you get the answer? Harshit has given the answer. What is your name? My name is Dr. Archi Maheshwari. So guys, if you have any questions, what did we study? We studied the tissues of the body. We studied connective tissue and we studied epithelial tissue. We are left with muscular tissue and neural tissue, which I am going to cover in detail when I'm going to, that I'm going to cover in detail when I what do I do when I take my plus course. All right. So referral code is going to be content. Anybody any questions? So you can just ask me. अच्छा पहले आप अपनी तो कर लो. ये देखो आ गए. Shaurya Singh, hello, hello, Shaurya. Hi, everybody, hi, everybody. So, if you have any questions, you ask me regarding this chapter, not the chapter, not any other chapter, regarding this chapter. And this is my code. If you have not yet taken the plus subscription, then this is my code, which is ARCHILIVE. Over here, you can see on the top below the top left corner, not the top, sorry, on the left lower corner of the screen, you can see the code. All right, so you can subscribe to it, and that is all. And that is all. Okay. Chalo, everybody. Bye bye. Good night.